What I love most about the works of Miss Lou is that they will never, ever get old. A staple in school now and for years to come. So let's go to one of Jamaica's youngest dub poets in Jamaica, the extremely talented Ngozi Wright with Safe for Jamaica.
Let's build a safer Jamaica. No pedophile pervert raper. Let's build a safer Jamaica. No pedophile pervert raper. So hey big man, love the little pitney. Go on with your sweetie, you can't trick me. Take your old car and go on where you a go. Pervert, no wanna drive from you. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. God give to mankind little children. Stars where you shine, don't kill them. Murderer! You a go burn in a hell. You touch a little pitney, me a go tell. Kids don't talk to no stranger. Run and scream in a danger. From your earth children, electric chair. Those who agree, put your hand in the ear. Those who agree, put your hand in the ear. So, hey, big man, loud the little pitney. Go on with your sweetie, you can't trick me. Little children, listen to my voice. Don't beg nobody, that's not nice. Don't make them hug you too much. Learn about good touch and bad touch. Friends are family members. Feminine or masculine genders. Don't make them give you anything. Show your mommy and your daddy what them bring. Don't make them give you anything. Show your mommy and your daddy what them bring. So hey big man, love the little pitney. Go on with your sweetie, you can't trick me. Take your old car and go on where you a go. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you.